Dear learners, how are you? I hope you all are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also okay. I am going to take an online class. Are you ready for my class? Welcome to my online class. At first, I want to introduce me. This is Jahangir Alam, Senior Teacher, Mazira Model High School, Shahjahanpur, Bogura. I am going to take a class from English second paper for class 6 to 10. What a nice scenery it is. It is a very nice scenery. The meaning of these two sentences is same, but the form of the two sentences are different. Dear learners, let us watch a video. Okay, what do you observe in the video? It is a nice peacock. First sentence, how nice the peacock is. And second sentence, the peacock is very nice. First sentence is exclamatory and second sentence is assertive. So, our today's lesson is transformation of sentence. Exclamatory to assertive. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the structure of exclamatory and assertive sentence. Change exclamatory to assertive and vice versa. Assertive sentence. A sentence that makes an assertion or statement positive or negative form is called assertive sentence. Example, Kamal is a good boy, he is not a lazy boy. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feelings of the mind is called exclamatory sentence. How pretty the girl is! Alas, the man is dead. Dear learners, let us discuss about the rules. First rule, form of exclamatory sentence, what oblique how plus adjective plus subject plus verb and exclamatory sign. Example, how nice the bird is. The form of assertive sentence, subject, verb, great or very and adjective. Example, the bird is very nice. We use very instead of how. So, we use great or very instead of what oblique how. Next rule, for exclamatory word plus exclamatory sign plus subject plus verb plus object. Example, hurrah, we have won the game. Assertive form, it is a matter of sorrow oblique joy plus that plus subject plus verb plus object. Example, it is a matter of joy that we have won the game. We use it is a matter of joy instead of hurrah. Are you clear? Dear learners, let us change this sentence into assertive. What a valuable thing it is. Alas, I am undone. How glad I was to see the sea beach. Number A, what a valuable thing it is. The form of assertive sentence, subject, verb, very oblique great and object. Here subject is it and verb is. So see the answer. It is a very valuable things. Alas, number B, alas, I am undone. Instead of alas, we should use it is a matter of sorrow. So see the answer. It is a matter of sorrow that I am undone. Number C, how glad I was to see the sea beach. To see the sea beach, here additional part. See the answer. I was very glad. Subject I, was verb. Instead of how, we use very, then glad to see the sea beach. Are you clear? Okay, thank you. Next rule. Form if plus subject plus verb plus object plus sign of exclamation. Example, if I were a king. Assertive form, subject plus wish plus again subject plus verb plus object. Example, I wish I were a king. Here verb exclamatory ফর্মে ভার্বে অসম লেখা হয়েছে। এখানে অসম লেখার কারণ সাবজেক্টের সাথে যে ভার্বটা হওয়ার কথা সেটা না হয়ে যদি অন্যটা বসে, মানে সেটা না হয়ে অন্যটা বসেছে, এই জন্য এখানে অসম। আর এর সাথে ওয়াজ হওয়ার কথা ছিল, সেখানে ওয়ার হয়েছে, এই জন্য এই অসম কথাটা এখানে লেখা হয়েছে। আর আই দুই জায়গাতেই ভার্ব সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে। আর ইউ ক্লিয়ার? Again rule, form had plus subject plus object plus exclamatory sign. Example, had I the wings of a bird. Had I subject, the wings of a bird, object. Form subject plus wish plus again subject plus verb plus object. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Next rule and last rule. Form would that plus subject plus could plus verb plus object and exclamatory sign. Example, would that I could fly in the sky. Would that I subject, then could, then verb fly, in the sky, a extension, object or extension হিসেবে এখানে ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে। Assertive form, subject plus wish plus subject plus verb plus object or extension. Example, I wish I could fly in the sky. We see the last three rules almost same. If, had, would, that. We use, instead of if, had, would, that, we use wish. So it is very easy to memory. Now, dear student, change the following sentence into assertive. A. What a nice flower the rose is. What? Here subject is the rose. Instead of what, we should use very. So, subject plus verb. The rose, verb here is a very. We use very instead of word. A nice flower. So, see the answer. Next, hurrah, I have passed. Instead of hurrah, we should use, it is a matter of joy. That. See the answer, it is a matter of joy that I have passed. How beautiful the girl is. How? Here subject is the girl, is verb. So, the girl is very beautiful. We use very instead of how. Then, had I been a musician? Here, I wish I had been a musician. Again, same rule. E. Would that we could be champion. We use here wish instead of would that. First subject is we. We wish we could be champion. So it is very easy. Homework. Dear learners, open your khata and write them. Number A. How sweetly the cuckoos sing. Number B. What a fool you are. Number 3. How talkative she was. 4. What a lovely place it is. 5. What an exciting game it was. 6. How time does fly. 7. Had I possessed a lot of wealth. 8. If I were a philosopher like Socrates. 9. If I could be a child again. And 10. Would that I could go there in time. So, follow the rules and write the correct answer. And when the school is will open, you should show your khata to your subject teacher. So, dear student, see you again in your online class. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you very much.